Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing great. So in today's video I'll be showing you what I bought from Nykaa and Cuffs and Lashes. So all in all it will be a haul video. So it will be a Nykaa plus Cuffs and Lashes haul. So let us start the video with Nykaa haul. So I have one box full of Nykaa products. So let us start with the first product. So the first product that I have is this Maybelline's Kajal plus lipstick combo. So this combo consists of one kajal, that is, I'm really sorry I have destroyed the packaging because I was so curious to know how the products are. So this combo consists of a kajal that is from Colossal. It's from Maybelline Colossal Kajal. It cost rupees 170, but as I bought it in the form of a combo with a lipstick, so I got it at rupees 305 along with the lipstick. So this is the kajal. I know many of you have used the Colossal Kajal, so have I. So I know this is a very nice Kajal. If you are a beginner or a professional, for both this one is a very good Kajal. So let us move to the lipstick. So I'm wearing the lipstick right now as well. You can already see the shade of this lipstick. It's very pretty. So this is the lipstick. It's in the shade 660 Touch of Spice, and this is from Maybelline matte lipstick. So yeah, this is the, so this much is the product, and this is the shade. It's a very pretty nudish shade, so I quite like the product, and it's so buttery soft, and it doesn't feel heavy at all. So I really love this lipstick. So in case I forget to mention the price of any of this product, I will be showing it on the screen, so have a look. So yeah, we are done with the first product. So let us move to the second one, which is this Swiss Beauty Ultra Blush Palette. You can already see the beauty of the packaging. So this is the inner packaging, and it is such a beautiful palette, to be very honest. The colors are really pretty. I don't know if the camera is able to pick the color accurately, but these are the color of the blushes are really pretty. So these two shades are for contouring, these whole row is for blush, and these two are highlighter shades. So this one is in a warm pink shade, and this one is a pure white shade, that is a silvery shade. So I will not show the swatches of this palette in today's video, because I'm waiting to review this palette in totally another video, so you have to wait for that video. And yes, this is all in all a great palette. If you are a beginner, you are getting this palette for rupees 449, which is below 500, and it's really economical. So girls, you can definitely go for this palette if you are interested in makeup. So let us move to the third product, which is a brow pencil from Blue Heaven. So this is the brow pencil. It has caps on both the sides. So here is the actual product. It's in a dark brown shade. Very fine tip which helps to define your brows quite well. So let me show you the swatch. So it's a little bit waxy, and the pigment is quite enough for your brows, because if you don't want your brows pencil to be that pigmented, because you will lose control actually, if you are doing brows with a very pigmented eyebrow pencil. In case you are a beginner, you will mess up your brows. So the MRP of this product is 150 rupees, but I got it at rupees 120 on Nykaa. Very often आपको Blue Heavens के product में offer मिल ही जाएंगे. So moving on to the next product, which is a concealer from Maybelline. It is in the shade 25 medium, Fit Me concealer with chamomile extract. So 25 is my shade. So yeah, The consistency of the concealer is quite good because it's not quite thick or quite liquidy. So this is the coverage of the concealer is quite good. I really like it. So the price of this concealer is 380 rupees. So yeah. So moving on to the next product, which is a makeup fixer from Blue Heaven as well. So I got quite a lot of good reviews on this makeup fixer particularly. So this is from Blue Heaven Makeup Fixer Mist Spray On Formula. It's paraben free and it is with goodness of aloe vera, vitamin E and vitamin B5. So in case you want a review on this makeup fixer, you can comment down below. I will definitely go for it. So let us move to the last Nykaa product, which is their newly launched Nykaa mascara. So I was really excited for this particular product from Nykaa because they have very recently launched some of their mascaras. So I bought the pink one, which is their waterproof curling mascara. So I am very much eager to use this and review it, and I will show you guys how this works. And this retails for rupees 349 or something like that, which is very much equal to the Maybelline's Hyper Curl mascara. So to know more about this mascara, please stay tuned and I will be back with the review of this mascara very soon on my channel. So yes. Oh, and I forgot to mention that I received a free lipstick from Maybelline. It's a mini lipstick. So this is in the shade Nude Nuance. It's a very pretty shade and I'm thinking of buying this again. So this is the shade. So it's a nude lipstick and I'm really loving this color. I wish I had bought this, but yeah, I will be definitely buying one of these again. So yes, this was the Nykaa haul, and now let's move to the Cuffs and Lashes haul. So the first product that I bought from Cuffs and Lashes are these beauty blenders. This is from the brand 20 something. It is a brand launched by Nidhi Katiyar. So it's an Indian brand and I'm so proud using this beauty blenders. These are such cute beauty blenders. I really love them. This is in a peach shade. It's a very soft beauty blender. It's not at all harsh on your skin. This is so soft and I'm really feeling great using this one. So the next beauty blender is in the shade green. So this one is the one. This is also quite soft. So the MRP of each of this beauty blender is 125, and if you are buying this two as a whole, you will get it at rupees 89 each. So it's a great deal. So you can buy it from their website or their app, which is Cuffs and Lashes. I bought it from their app. So the last product of today's video and the last product of Cuffs and Lashes that I bought is this Beauty Glazed palette. So this is the inner packaging of this palette. It's quite a classy packaging. So you are getting 4 palettes in one single packaging. So let me show you how it looks from inside. So this is how it looks like. It has a cover slip. In the first palette, you will be finding different shades of green. So moving on to the second palette, you will be finding different shades of red color. And then you will be finding shades of blue, and on the last palette you will be finding different shades of purple and pink. So quite pretty colors in one single packaging. So I will be creating a makeup look using the whole palette, so stay tuned for that video so you will be able to know how this palette actually works. So The MRP of this product is rupees 1550 rupees, which is a quite reasonable price because you are getting so many shades in one single palette. And let me tell you that this palette comes with pressed glitters, shimmers and matte shades as well. So let me show you the swatch of one of their pressed glitters. Let me show you the swatch of this beautiful emerald green color. Such a beautiful color it is. The color payoff is really good because मैंने जो कुछ लिया था हाथ में ऑलमोस्ट सारा का सारा यहाँ आ गया है. So we have come to the end of today's video. I hope you all have enjoyed watching the video. If you do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. And those who are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel for more videos. And press that bell icon to get notifications whenever I upload new videos. So yes, I will see you in my next video.